Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at some incredible upgrades and innovative ideas that turn ordinary bicycle campers into the ultimate setup for adventure enthusiasts who love freedom and exploration. From ultra-lightweight trailers to compact but feature-packed mobile campers, these unique builds are designed to make every cycling trip unforgettable. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in and explore them. Number 1. Foldavan Caravan. The Foldavan bike trailer camper was created by the team at Wooden Widget, a French company known for practical mobile camping solutions. Weighing only 30 kilos, it was designed for cyclists searching for a lightweight and convenient camping trailer. When folded, it measures just 21 centimeters wide, allowing it to be stored inside a home or transported on train rides and car roof racks. Once converted into road mode, it expands to 60 centimeters wide while keeping a streamlined shape for smooth travel on bike paths. In camp configuration, it opens up to 100 to 120 centimeters wide, offering more than 1 meter of headroom and sleeping space for 2 people. It supports up to 75 kilos while being towed and 200 kilos when parked. For extra stability during strong winds, the side panels can be unzipped to reduce resistance. Number 2. Andrzej Kaminski Camper. One of the best examples of advanced DIY engineering in bicycle camping is the work of Andrzej Kaminski. The retired Polish sailor from Gdynia has gained attention through his self-built bicycle campers featured on his YouTube channel at Andrzej-bike_camper. Among his creations is the Micro Vado, a tiny caravan inspired by traditional Romani wagon trailers, but redesigned to be more durable and easier to tow. He also developed a vehicle often referred to as the smallest mobile home, featuring a fully insulated wooden teardrop-shaped body with a surprisingly well-organized interior. Some standout features include a motorized assist system for climbing hills, an off-grid solar-powered electrical setup, and built-in heating that makes winter camping possible. Number 3. Space Camper. The Space Camper represents a futuristic concept of mobile living designed to help travelers explore new frontiers comfortably. This innovative camper incorporates technologies inspired by space engineering. Its aerodynamic body and efficient construction materials make the camper compact, lightweight, and highly durable. Many space campers are equipped with solar energy systems, advanced insulation, and clever storage solutions. Certain models also feature expandable sleeping compartments and modular kitchens, making them far more comfortable than traditional mobile shelters. This style of camper is ideal for adventurers seeking both freedom and convenience during extended outdoor journeys. Number 4. Roadsnail Camper. The Roadsnail Camper is an ultra-compact camping trailer created for solo travelers who want flexibility, comfort, and reliability in one package. The interior cabin offers generous space with a width of 83 centimeters and a length of 1.90 meters, providing enough room for comfortable sleeping. Its outer shell uses a special polyurea armor coating that improves resistance against scratches, moisture, and general damage. Thermal insulation helps maintain a comfortable interior temperature, whether conditions outside are hot or cold. All doors can also be securely locked from the inside during overnight stops. Additional features include a solar charging system, kitchenette, workstation, storage compartments, and an expandable awning. Number 5. Go Camper. The Go Camper is an extremely versatile ultralight trailer developed for people wanting the functionality of multiple campers in one compact design. It is manufactured in the United States by Sylvan Sport. What makes it special is its clever 3-in-1 functionality, allowing it to serve as a pop-up tent camper, an open utility trailer, or a rugged gear hauler. Thanks to its lightweight construction, it can easily be towed by even a compact SUV. Despite its size, it provides enough comfort for both weekend escapes and longer road trips. A brand new Go camper starts at $13,995. Wow. And that wraps up these incredible bike campers designed to take your adventures to an entirely new level. Every one of these unique builds showcases how far biking and camping technology has evolved. If you enjoyed this adventure with us, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with fellow explorers. We'll catch you all next time for another exciting adventure.